struggling to make friends, feel ignored in conversation, you are not alone. But there is a proven formula to make people like you instantly. This book has changed millions of lives. Let's break down the 5 most powerful lessons you can use today. And lesson number 3, it's a game changer. Stick around. This book is a secret weapon for some of the most successful people. Warren Buffett calls it life-changing. But most people misunderstood its lessons. Let's fix that. Lesson number 1. People don't care about you. They care about themselves. Want to be liked? Talk less. Listen more. Ask questions. People love talking about themselves. Imagine 2 people. One talks about themselves non-stop. The other listens and makes you feel important. Who do you like more? Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. What's the best question to ask someone you just met? Comment below. Lesson number 2. Don't win arguments. Avoid them. Winning an argument feels good, but does it change minds? Definitely no. Don't argue. Influence. Instead of saying you are wrong, try, I see your point, but consider this. Lesson number 3. The secret power of names. Want instant rapport? Use their names. Hearing our own name triggers a dopamine hit, but don't mess it up. Lesson number 4. Give honest, sincere praise. People love criticism more than compliments. That's a mistake. The writer says praise first, then correct. Instead of saying your report is a mess, try great intro. Maybe tighten the middle. Overall strong effort. Lesson number 5. Make people feel important. Genuinely. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. The best way to be interesting is to be interested. Smile. Ask questions. Remember details. This makes you magnet. So here's a quick recap. Talk less. Listen more. Don't argue. Guide. Use names to build instant rapport. Praise first, then correct. Make people feel important. Want more influence? Start using these today.